Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to fix a suspended eBay seller account and get your business back on track quickly and effectively. Every seller on eBay hopes to maintain a clean account with flawless performance. But sometimes account suspensions happen which can disrupt your online business drastically. The good news is that suspended accounts can often be reinstated with a clear process. And the right approach. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide to help you recover your suspended eBay account. First, as soon as you notice your account has been suspended, avoid panic and check the exact reason for suspension. eBay usually sends a detailed notification via email, or you can find the message in your eBay account dashboard. Understanding the specific violation or issue, such as unpaid fees, policy breaches, or verification problems, is crucial for an effective response. Next, take a moment to review eBay's policies related to your suspension to fully grasp what went wrong. This could relate selling restricted items, poor buyer satisfaction, or identity verification issues. Then gather all relevant information about your account activities, recent listings, and any correspondence with buyers or eBay support. This data will be invaluable when you prepare your appeal. The third step is preparing a professional and honest appeal letter. Address eBay's concerns point by point. Include explanations for any misunderstandings or mistakes, and highlight any corrective actions you have already taken. For example, if your suspension was due to unpaid fees, show proof of payment. If it concerns buyer complaints, share steps you have implemented to improve service. Submit your appeal through the official channel provided in the suspension notice or through the eBay Resolution Center. Make sure to keep your message respectful, clear, and concise. While waiting for a reply, regularly monitor your email and eBay messages. Some cases may require additional information or documentation, so be ready to respond promptly. This demonstrates your commitment to resolving the issue quickly. If your first appeal is unsuccessful, do not give up. Sometimes multiple attempts with refined appeals and additional proof can turn the situation around. Meanwhile, consider reaching out to eBay customer service for further advice or using eBay seller community forums for peer support. One last important tip is to continuously maintain your account in good standing. Once reinstated, closely follow eBay rules, maintain communication with buyers, and resolve disputes promptly to avoid future suspensions. Remember, prevention is better than cure, so always stay informed about eBay's policy updates and seller best practices. That completes our full recovery guide to fixing a suspended eBay seller account. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more expert guides and practical tips.